Let's start with a fresh template, so click here on Menu, Init Preset. Now we can work on our sub bass. Click here on Default, Analog, Basic Shapes. This is the sine wave that we want. We don't want any randomness, so turn this all the way to 0%. Increase the attack a little bit, not too much. And then the release can also have a little bit of release, so we get a little effect going on. Go to the effects, add distortion, drive it up to your taste, however you would prefer it, how much, and hear it. Then let's EQ it a bit. We don't want too many highs. So the frequency, well, something around this should too. Okay, then you can also use the mono notes. If you want more sliding notes, you can add a little bit of porta. Now I don't want it here, but you can if you really like to. And then you can check out your track for that, and also in the mixer. You see, mine is too high, so I need to adjust the notes. I'm going to lead the higher notes here. So right now I have my higher notes here. Let's check again in my mixer. With an EQ. Right now I'm more in the sub category. Okay. And delete the highest frequencies that you don't need anymore. Okay, hope this helped, and now you can create your sub bass in Serum.